girl Bree, and we're gonna make a quick video about Egypt, right? Because I said I was gonna do videos from start to finish, and so far I've only did a start. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've been up to, tell you some things that I have solidified. Please do not mind my hair. I know I look like I'm 12, but that's just gonna have to do. So I cleaned out one of my bedrooms and I made it my packing room. So you see, I'm planning to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 suitcases. Yeah, well, I tried to fit 20 outfits in each vacuum bag. I have some undies in between. So my goal is to have 1 vacuum bag in each suitcase, along with 5 pairs of shoes, and then some necessities spread out. That's my away bag, honey. So it's a little bit of a mess in here. Sorry fellas, but if you're traveling to a different country, ladies, you gotta bring the products that you need, okay? You cannot be uncomfortable. And I heard that in some other countries, the products are not made with the same materials and fabric. So if you're going to a maybe like lesser developed country, the sanitary products might not have the same quality of materials as they would in America, because you know, the companies know that Americans have a different set of standards, if that makes sense. So like if you wear tampons, that's cool, but you should probably bring your own, because they might be the same brand, but it might be a different quality, and we ain't got the time. Over here, no. And I've just been buying stuff off of Amazon, Walmart, just buying stuff in bulk. Like you can see my little stash here. I have like, you know, toiletries, toothpaste, biofreeze patches, earrings. I don't know, okay? I really just feel like I'm fear shopping. What I mean by that is like, I feel like I'm just buying stuff because I'm like, oh my God, what if I won't be able to get any earrings? But it's like, okay, Brianna, it's not a third world country. Like, you'll be able to buy your earrings, girl, relax. And then if you want to see the other view of my house, I have started packing. It is June 25th, something like that. So yeah, I've been packing. I've been buying a lot of things. I solidified my apartment. I actually sent my deposit. It is through a broker that the school provided for us. So I felt very safe in doing that. I will upload some pictures and maybe like a short video into this video so you can see where I'll be living. It's a very nice place, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Okay, so this is the apartment. It is new, so they are renovating. That's why it looks a little bit dirty. This is the dining area. Here's the master bedroom. They're gonna put a brand new mattress in. And this is just like more views from the living room. I don't know, he just sent me a lot of pictures. They're gonna put a refrigerator in and a dishwasher. Yeah, so I mean, I think it's pretty nice. Like, he sent me this picture with the coffee table that he put in. Like, he sends me pictures of updates. I'm probably gonna get some couch covers because I'm not feeling that leather, but I'm very excited. And this is like a really fast video through everything. It's like super sped up, and he's like trying to explain to me everything that they're putting in, and here's the windows and the balconies and da 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 da. New bathroom, all of that. So he's like trying to explain to me everything that they're renovating and what they're going to be doing to the place. And I'm just like, yeah, let's do it. It is a little bit more on the expensive side. So my housing allowance is like 6,000 pounds, Egyptian pounds. And my place is 14,000 Egyptian pounds, which means I have to come out a little bit out of pocket, like 8,000 Egyptian pounds, which is like $450, maybe $500. And I don't really mind because I feel like I know my quality and I know the level of a place that I want to live in for a year, especially when I'm in a country and I have nothing else besides my house. I don't have a car. I don't know a lot of people. So I feel like my house needs to be my safe place and it needs to be up to my standards. So I don't mind paying for it. Some people don't want to pay extra, and that's totally fine. That's totally up to them. It was kind of hard to find a place because you can't really look. So you have to like get videos. You have to ask like other teachers if they will be willing to go look at it for you. And the reason why it's so important for me to solidify a place before I get to Egypt is because we don't know if we have to do a quarantine yet. And if we have to do a quarantine, I would rather quarantine in my apartment and get unpacked and settled in, start figuring out how to get stuff delivered, than be in a hotel for 14 days. I'm straight on that. Your clothes. So I'm just gonna be real with y'all. I'm a plus size girl, which there's nothing wrong with that. That's fine. But my knees, I have like this tracking disorder in my knees, and they kneecaps roll over or whatever. I don't know. So one of my main goals and one of my main motivations for taking a job out of the country was to live a better lifestyle. And yeah, I can do it here, but I'm just not disciplined enough. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm just not. Okay. So that's one of my main things that I want to accomplish is living a better lifestyle and eating healthier. So I just feel like I don't need them clothes. Cause when I get back, honey, I'm trying to be like a size 12. Right now I'm a size 18, 20. So my goal is to take all the clothes that I want, and in the vacuum bags, of course. The clothes that I don't want, I will be taking them to a shelter. I feel like it's always better to donate to shelters and group homes, stuff like that, where the stuff can just be used immediately. I really don't like donating to Goodwill because I don't feel like people have to pay for my hand-me-downs. Okay, if it's designer stuff, you can take it to Plato's Closet. But I don't know, I don't like donating and then people have to pay for it because it's still not that accessible. So I prefer to just drop stuff off straight to shelters where, moms, teens, families, whatever, can just have easy access. And I have some nice stuff. So when I get all of that situated, when I get all my vacuum bags, I am going to pack one box of clothes that I will keep, jackets, my Delta jackets, maybe some shoes, purses, maybe stuff like that. But I'm only committing to one box, maybe two, because I just feel like after a year or two, am I really gonna come back and be like, oh my god, I want to wear this again? No, I'm probably gonna be on to the next whatever year. So every time I get paid, I just try to stock up on toiletries, or I think last time I got socks, shampoos, toothpaste, stuff like that. This time I bought Apple TV because I want to take that over there because I heard those are way better in Egypt. I bought an Apple TV. I bought some safety stuff, kind of little keychain, alarm system, little door locks for my door. I'm trying to think about what else did I buy. I don't know, but I just got paid today, and I think I might buy some more workout clothes because that's the last thing that I need, and I'm really gonna be done packing clothes. Just a couple of workout outfits, and I'm probably not gonna be wearing them leggings down to my ankles because it's gonna be hot as the GBDBs. Okay, so yeah, that's my update. If you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. I'm not sure yet of all of the requirements to get into the country. I have heard that a PCR coronavirus test is required, and I just kind of don't like it. I mean, I understand the reasoning. I just feel like, is the nose test really the most accurate? Not the blood work? So, I don't know. We'll see. I'm not flying out. I'm not supposed to be flying out to the end of July. So, hopefully by then, it'll be something different. This is not a good angle, and I don't like this is better. This is better. As you see, I don't have the little fancy setup today. I don't have the tripod and the sunflower background because it's quick, and I don't care. Okay. So you guys stay tuned. Last thing, as of right now, I'm not getting any vaccines to go to Egypt. None of them are mandatory. They are all highly suggested. And I just feel like this is how I really feel. I feel like I never get vaccines to go on any vacations, and I vacation out of the country. When I went to South Africa, we got vaccines because the school mandated them and they paid for them. The vaccine that I would probably have gotten was a typhoid vaccine, which is for food and water contamination, but that is $400, and my insurance is not paid for it. And I know some people are like, it's just $400, versus your life. But all the teachers that I've asked that have come over, well, have went over to Egypt from America, I was like, hey, what vaccines did you guys get? They're like, nothing. So I just feel like, is it really necessary? I'm gonna be putting something into my body. I don't know how my body's gonna respond. We got all this stuff going on in the world. Is it really that necessary? So as of right now, I'm not doing it. I mean, everybody has their own opinions, and if you don't agree with me, I was trying to think of a nice way to say I don't care, but I just don't care. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Love you. And your girl is out of here July 26th.
Guys, it's on the